Good morning.
Good morning, Dr. Meyer.
Hi, Gertrude. Tell us a little bit about your journey. When did that begin in here?
Well, I came in 2003, and basically I was very sick, and that's when the journey started that eventually I would lose all my teeth.
And it doesn't look like you're missing teeth today.
No, so now I got a beautiful mouth full of teeth.
Yes. And what that part of the journey was an interesting one, wasn't it?
Well, the first visit, or the second, you told me that I would lose a few teeth in the box. I think that's how you said it. Well, a few teeth was okay, but then eventually it turned out I lost all my teeth because of the sickness I had, and all the teeth were really rotten.
And you're better today now, aren't you?
I'm free of my pain, or free of my original disease, interstitial cystitis,
Yes.
which makes your life very miserable. And because of the poison of my teeth, which attacked my immune system, that's how I started having the bladder problem.
Yes. And you're satisfied now with your outcome on your health and with your teeth?
Yes, very much. I don't have interstitial cystitis anymore. I live free, pain-free, and my outcome is wonderful. So yesterday, for the first time, after about a long journey of 1 year, which I had to wait for the implants, I had a taco dinner. And just by Taco Bell, it was wonderful.
Oh, that's great to hear.
Yeah, it was.
Well, thank you. Do we have permission to use this in social media?
If it comes out good, the tape, yes.
Okay. Well, thank you, Gertrude.
Okay. Well, I think